Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this very short video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can create multiple YouTube accounts using just one Gmail. So some of you want to have access to different accounts, you want to create different channels. So this video will guide you on how to set up these multiple channels just using one account. So let's go. Alright, hello guys, welcome back. So let me show you how you can create multiple channels using just one Gmail account. So very quickly, all you need to do, you come to, once you get to YouTube, you come to your channel, come to this place, you would see your channel, or once you get to your channel, now I'm in my channel. So the next thing you do, come here as well and click on settings. What you want to do here now, you want to edit your account and you want to add more accounts. So look at it, you can see your account status and features, you can see add or manage your account or channels rather, and you can see advanced settings. What I want to show you now is how to add a new channel. So what do? Come here, click on add or manage your new channel. Once it loads up, then you can set the new channel up. So you can see this is the channel I have already. Now I want to create a new channel. I click on create channel. Once I do that, then I'll be able to add my channel name. So this is it. Now you read this instruction. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Do you understand that? If that's okay, click on that and click on create channel. Once you click on create channel, it will allow you to go to the next page. So this is the next page. So you can decide to customize your channel so that it will look just like you want it to look like. So let me just quickly show you also how you can customize your channel. So come here, click on customize channel. Once you click on customize channel, it will bring up the different things you need to add to your channel. So once you get here, you click on continue and you can see where you can add your channel trailer. That is, you can see my channel on my own channel here now. You see on my own channel, it was showing me how you will see the first audio, the first trailer that comes up. So that trailer is what you add here, the video. You can add featured video for returning subscriber here as well, and you can add different other informations here as necessary. So it is very easy to create your channel and to add as many channels as possible in just one Gmail account. You can come here to confirm that this channel is on the same Gmail account. All right, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel if this video has been very helpful and you want content, like more content on how you can build your YouTube channel and to start making money on the go.